Okay, as you can see, it's wet and it's rainy, so I'm going to put up my hood. Today, we're looking for a different kind of animal. We're not looking for anything big, we're not looking for anything monstrous. However, we are looking for something which shares a lineage with the dinosaurs. Survived the mass extinction of that time and every mass extinction after it. And with the help of my camera work, we should hopefully make this animal look a little bit more like its cousins. Photograph a bird, I'm pretty sure you can photograph any other animal you'd like. The reason I always choose birds is because they're everywhere. You can't really go to a country and expect to not see birds, that's for one. And they're also incredibly difficult to sneak up on. They're hard to get photos of because they move really quickly. And when you do get photos of them, you generally tend to get really beautiful shots. Birds are one of those kinds of animals that when you look at them, you kind of think, it's just a pigeon, it's just a duck. But when you get like a nice picture of it doing something quite dramatic, it shows a different side to these animals that you wouldn't necessarily see if you were just looking at them.